Have you ever wanted to apply math functions to signals in real time? Simplify your workflow using the MXO3 oscilloscope, which allows you to add up to 8 math functions. The math capability utilizes basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division between signals in addition to calculus principles like integrals and derivatives. In addition to these operations, you can also use filters like low pass and high pass, or create your own user-defined filter. Want to do more than one math operation at a time? Simply type your combination of operators and filters into our equation editor. Let's try it out. Here we are measuring an AC voltage source and constant current. Want to calculate the power? Simply multiply the channels and view your results. Add annotations to clearly label all your signals. Check out a MXO oscilloscope in your lab. See the difference.